This is more of a kickier jump out of that three. I've seen the teams are getting round so late on that. I think on this round though, I think Squibby has the measure of Wiggins on this one. Position where I can listen to the cheers just to really decide without any bias towards it. Right, do you think that the best whip of these two, ladies and gentlemen, of hall number one belongs to the four-stroke prowess of Mr. Dave Wiggins? Scream! Not bad. Do you think the best whip of these two belongs to the beautiful that is Mr. Jamie Square? Absolute landslide.
Tag. 4 people and we couldn't beat them. Shoot.
One each then, gentlemen, one each. Rolls on to tomorrow. Well done. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, not just for these two, but for all of the riders in the whip contest. We love the whip. Now, that was the first trick in freestyle motocross. So let's go from there into the full-on trictionary. Get out your textbooks, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for a lesson. Is that our man there? Have we got a man there?